Hey, here with another video. I'm going to be replacing my 2017 Toyota Camry headlights, the bulbs, with these LASFIT LED lightings. I definitely recommend replacing any of your headlights with this brand. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I just love these for the price. I got them on Amazon for about 50 bucks. They do last a long time and they are bright, but not too bright to where cops are going to be all hounding you and thinking like, you have these super bright headlights. They're kind of a glacier white, where it's kind of got a blue tint to it, but it's not super noticeable. I will show you a video right now. To be showing you how to replace them. There is no tools required to replace it on the 2017 Camry, so it's super easy, quick. Right here is where the bulb is, so you just counterclock twist it, and then there's the connector right there. If you guys can see it right here, just disconnect it right there. There we go, got it out more. Sorry, I'm videotaping with my phone. We'll be getting a GoPro soon. Stay tuned for that video. Do a quick little review on that. Anyways, I'm gonna put the phone. There we go. I thought I was gonna have to put the phone down. Anyways, this is what they look like. I'll show you actually what the inside box looks like. So yeah, again, these are only 40 bucks to like 50 bucks. It just depends on, I guess, what lighting you get. I think these are 6,000K. Again, super easy to replace them. That's why I like LEDs, is because it's just a straight plug in and play. Also, try not to get the touch the lights on those, the LED part. I've heard that they can get messed up. I'm going to pause it real quick so I can pause. Okay, so I already plugged them in. Now, just want to put that in there, and you got to line up the little teeth right here. These little teeth, you got to line them up on the inside right here, and then you can push it in and then twist it clockwise, and then that's it, you guys. Super simple, super quick. Just wanted to do a quick video on it just because I didn't see too many videos about replacing headlights and bulbs or whatever on the 2017 Camry. I know that's not super hard, but some people don't really know. So thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Again, subscribe, because in a couple weeks I'm going to be getting a better equipment, so I'm going to be making a lot better videos than these ones. Again, I'll have a new camera. I'm going to be getting a laptop, so I'll be doing reviews on each of those. So thank you guys for watching, and